At Infopa Pet Care, presents common eye infections in dogs. Eye infections in dogs can be a pretty scary thing to deal with. Although the symptoms of eye infections can be pretty worrisome, problems with the eyes in dogs are normally very easy for vets to diagnose and treat. There are several different types of eye infections in dogs, and they can manifest a wide variety of symptoms. Most of the time, dogs with an eye infection will have noticeable eye irritation and symptoms that seem unusual to dog owners. There are several different types of eye infections in dogs. These different types of eye infections include conjunctivitis, uveitis, cornea infection, and infection of the eyelids, hair glands. Conjunctivitis is essentially pink eye, and it will give your dog's eye a pink or red look. It will also likely cause discharge from the eye that may be foul-smelling. Uveitis is the inflammation of the interior portion of the eye, and it can be either the result of a severe eye infection or the result of another condition. Most of the time, the eye will be red and swollen. This condition is also fairly painful. Blood may or may not be present in this type of eye infection. Problems with the cornea can sometimes cause an eye infection in dogs as well. However, this is a less common cause for eye infections in dogs than the other causes that were previously mentioned. Causes of eye irritation. The most common causes for eye infections in dogs are bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. However, foreign bodies, irritants, and injury to the eyes can easily cause eye infections in dogs as well. There are many different possible symptoms of eye infections in dogs, and they can vary depending on what type of eye infection is present. Pawing or itching at the eyes, discharge coming from the eye, a pink or red looking eye, signs of excessive blinking. Eye infections in dogs are treated differently depending on the type of eye infection it is and what is causing it. Bacterial eye infections are normally treated with antibiotics, and fungal eye infections are normally treated with antifungal medications. Meanwhile, eye infections that are caused by another medical condition or a viral infection will need to be treated before the eyes get better. For example, a dog with severe allergies causing their eye infection will need to have their allergies treated before the eyes can really improve as well. Even though eye infections in your pup can be a scary thing to deal with, it is often easy for veterinarians to diagnose and treat these conditions. If your pup is facing a medical emergency with their eyes, get them into the vet as soon as possible. Until next time, please like and subscribe to our channel.